For measuring the distance, we have many units like meters, kilometers, miles, right? In the same way, to measure any angle, we have degrees that you already know. Let us say this angle is 30 degrees, and over here this angle is 90 degrees, and this straight angle is 180 degrees. For measuring the angle, so far you know the unit for measuring the angle is in degrees. In AS level, you will be learning second unit for measuring the angle. The other unit for measuring the angle is radians. Clear? Radians is another unit to measure the angle. Now, we have a conversion rate to convert from meters to kilometers or kilometers to meters. And what is that? 1000 meters is nothing but 1 kilometer, right? In the same way, we also have a conversion rate to convert from degrees to radians. And what is that conversion rate? That conversion rate is 180 degrees is equal to pi radians. This is the conversion rate to using this statement. We can convert degrees to radians or radians to degrees. In short, for radians we write rad. We don't write radians every time, we just write rad. Clear? Now let us see how do we convert degrees to radians. Converting degrees to radians now. If I want to convert 60 degrees into radians, how can I do that? First line you write it down. That is 180 degrees is nothing but pi radians. Below degrees write degrees. 60 degrees question mark cross multiply. I cannot multiply the question mark, so multiply these two. So that will be 60 into pi. Whatever is the remaining number, write it below. Now you cancel it out. So that is nothing but pi by 3 radians. Clear? This is how we convert. 60 degrees is nothing but pi by 3 radians. Now let us look at second example. If I want to convert 90 degrees into radians, how can I do that? Write the first line. 180 degrees is nothing but pi radians. Okay. 90 degrees below degrees I want you to write. So 90 degrees question mark cross multiply. I cannot multiply the question mark, so multiply these two. That will become 90 into pi. The remaining number you write it below that by 180. So 0 0 gone, 9 2s. So that is nothing but pi by 2 radians. Okay. Let us look at one more example. Now if I want to convert 30 degrees to radians, how do I do that? Same thing, write the first line. That is 180 degrees is nothing but pi radians. So 30 degrees, how many radians? Question mark, cross multiply. I cannot multiply the question mark, so multiply the other side. So 30 into pi. The left out number you write it below. Cancel the zeros, 3 1 3 6. So that is nothing but pi by 6 radians. Is it understood? 30 degrees is nothing but pi by 6 radians. One more example. If I want to convert 360 degrees into radians, same thing, write the first line. 180 degrees is nothing but pi radians. So 360 degrees, how many radians is the question mark? So again multiply 360 into pi I get, and the left out number you write it below. So 0 0 gone, 18 ones, 18 twos. So that is nothing but 2 pi radians. Okay. This is how we convert from degrees to radians. Let us see two more examples. If I want to convert 180 degrees into radians, we know 180 degrees is already pi radians. So I can write it directly. Now second thing, if I want to convert 45 degrees to radians, write the first line again. 180 degrees pi radians. So 45 degrees, how many radians? Question mark. Cross multiply. I cannot multiply question mark, so multiply these two. So 45 into pi. And the number you write it below. I can't cancel 0, so let us cancel in 5 table. 5 9s, 5 3s. So 9 1s, 9 4s. So that is equal to pi by 4 radians. Okay, 45 degrees is nothing but pi by 4 radians. 180 degrees is pi radians. That is a standard line for converting. Okay. Next, if I try to convert radians to degrees, how is that done? Let us look certain examples. If I want to convert pi by 3 radians to degrees, how? In the same way, write the first line for converting, and that is 180 degrees is nothing but pi radians. Okay. Now here I have radians, so I need to write below radians on this side. So pi by 3 radians, question mark on this side, cross multiply. I cannot multiply the question mark, so multiply the other two. That is nothing but 180 into pi by 3. Whatever is left out, write it below. Now cancel pi and pi, 3 and 60. So that is nothing but 60 degrees. Okay. Now pi radians is how many degrees? We already have the statement. 180 degrees is nothing but pi radians. So automatically pi radians is nothing but 180 degrees. Okay. Now let us look at more examples. Pi by 6 radians is how many degrees? Write the first line again. That is 180 degrees is nothing but pi radians. So below radians, write radians. So pi by 6 rad, question mark on the other side. I cannot multiply the question mark, so multiply those two. So 180 into pi by 6, left out is pi, write it below. Cancel pi and pi, 6 ones, 30. So the answer is 30 degrees. Okay. Another example, 2 pi radians is how many degrees? Write the first line again, that is 180 degrees is nothing but pi radians, so 2 pi radians, how many degrees? Okay, I cannot multiply the question mark, so I multiply the other side, that is 180 into 2 pi. Whatever is left out, you write it below. Now what gets cancelled is pi. So 180 into 2 is 360. So 360 degrees is nothing but 2 pi. Okay. Fine. So this video is all about introduction to radians and how the conversion is done.